I think he's getting better. I think he's enjoying being out there, and I think he's just starting to become his physical self again. He's had a couple of nasty injuries over the last couple of years, and it takes you a couple of games to get a few hits and get confidence back in your injuries that have been repaired. And he's done that, and I'm really liking the way he's approaching his training as well. I think he'll improve every game now leading into the end of the year.
Puluvinaka, I'm Vijay Narayan. Thank you for making Fiji Village your #1 media website. This is based on the latest independent Tablet survey results. And Google Analytics also puts us as having average monthly page views as high as 3 million. Here at Fiji Village, we stand with you during the good times and dreadful ones, in moments of joy and moments of sorrow, in the darkest times and during our biggest triumphs and celebrations, when you need a helping hand or when you just need to be heard. We stand for truth, integrity, fairness, and justice. We aim to deliver the most balanced, fair, and factual news to you. We are here for you and always will be. And stay tuned, the all-new Fiji Village app is coming soon.